Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create football niche, and this is my sample channel, my second channel. I try to edit, I try to re-upload football niche, and we can see in this there is no restriction. This means there is no copyright. The question is how to edit this video, and you can pass the copyright from the owner. Before you start, you must download the original video from the other website. I recommend to you this link, footballbalia.io. In the search column, you can searching by name. In this video we sample Messi, Lionel Messi, and in this one you can see the match. And if you want to make highlight goals, you can click in this one. You can click, okay. Right now in this video you can download from the video by screen you record, by screen you record. This is a simple way you can download the video. But the second one is you can make in spec, and go to the network, and you can find MP4, okay, in this one, okay, like this you can download the video. I hope you can follow step by step, and you don't missing the tutorial. Okay, after that you download, or after that you screen you record. The next step is you go to the CapCut. I recommend to you using CapCut because it's very easy and free to use. Okay, like this. Now next one is you drag or you import the original video. Okay, like one. And the crucial step is you must cut, you must cut based on the angle. The simple way you can use AI by clicking right click and choose the split scan. Okay, this free, click, and splitting scan will cut based on the angle. Okay, we are waiting. This is make a time. Okay, I think okay, enough. And the second way is you can right click, and you can change the rotation by clicking the media and click resize. Okay, and in the rotation you change the degree of the video. Okay, like one. Now like one, and you confirm. Then you can cut, okay, cut the ratio, crop the ratio, okay, crop the ratio, and make the rotation again. You apply the step until the last video. And the next step is you must edit a value. You must add the value. You can make a funny or komentar or reaction the video. Okay, after that you will can the export. Okay. Oh, the last is you must reduce the color or the filter by using this one. You can choose one of these. This you can choose the color. Okay, like this. Okay, and right, if you until enough, okay, you can export and upload to your YouTube channel. Good luck.